I don't know if you guys think I have my life together. You probably don't. But if you do, I don't. I look like a hot mess because I just literally like dumped my head over the bathtub so I can wet my hair so I can use this today. I think my hair needs a little bit more of a protein boost, which is why today's video we are going to be using none other than Curlsmith Strength Recipe. Hello. These stylers I actually have not used yet. So this is the Feather Light Protein Cream, and then the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, which is a mousse. I don't typically go for mousses unless the styling cream I use is a little bit more on the thicker end, just because mousse, for me, I either use it if it's like a refresher or if I mean, that's honestly it. My hair is a hot mess. I literally, like I said, I just like dumped my head over the sink, over the bathtub to dampen it so I can go ahead and start off with a Bond Curl Rehab Salve before I wash my hair so I can give myself a protein boost for the new year. So without further ado, let's get started because otherwise it's gonna be a very long video. So with this, I usually use a pretty generous amount. Let me roll up my sleeves here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with about that much on my damp hair. Oh, hate when that happens. All right, my hair's pretty saturated. So my goal is to leave it in for about an hour. You're supposed to leave it in for 15 minutes to an hour. I want to try the whole hour because my hair, I feel like, just could really benefit from it today. But we'll see because, like I mentioned earlier, I am just a hot mess today. So I'm using all strength recipe today. So I'm gonna follow up with the Core Strength shampoo and then the multitasking conditioner. You guys know this is like one of my favorite conditioners. I won't be using it, I'll be using it as a regular conditioner just because it's like 3 o'clock and I'm running so behind. So I'm just gonna use this as a regular conditioner and then I should be fine because I'm gonna follow in with more protein rich products. So I think that's what the plan is for today. So like I mentioned before, I used my Core Strength shampoo and the multitasking conditioner to wash my hair. I rinsed out the Rehab Salve thoroughly and then I used the shampoo, conditioner, rinsed it out right away. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with the Feather Light Protein Cream. So let's go ahead and grab a pretty generous amount of the cream. Oh, yeah, she's kind of like, she's like lotion thick. Yeah, it has like a very lotion consistency. Okay. I feel like the product has evenly distributed. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. This has hemp seed oil, wild rice protein, black currant, shiitake mushroom, green kale leaf, and then mashed guava. So the hold for this is rated at a 2, which is what I'm looking for because the styling cream is a little bit more on the thicker side, so is it me or do like all mousses just kind of smell the same? All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse for like 20 minutes, and then I may or may not do my makeup. We'll see how I feel. But yeah, so far so good, no frizz. Hair feels good. It's not sticky. It feels pretty light. So let's see. Welcome back. What do we think? So I actually, before I even get into this situation, I kind of want to just shout out my diffuser really quick. I have the Remington, I don't even know what it's called, but it's the one that looks like this. I got it for Christmas. Last year, and it's like odd looking for sure, but I've been using this since I got it for Christmas last year, so a year. And this hair dryer is amazing. I diffused in all of maybe 20 minutes. But yeah, anywho, today's wash and go, I feel like, was definitely a success. My hair feels light and airy. There wasn't any crunch to it, so when after I diffused, I didn't really have to break any sort of gel cast. There was like a small little bit of residue, which I typically have anyway, but it wasn't anything like crazy. Like there wasn't like there wasn't a ton of shrinkage or anything. So I do really enjoy this foam. Now my only thing is seeing how long this lasts me, because I did overfluff. I always overfluff on the first day, especially if I'm going somewhere. I'm pleasantly surprised by this curl cream. It didn't weigh my hair down at all. I feel like these two definitely are good to use together if you want more of a light and airy, very voluminous wash and go. Like I said, the cream is more of like a lotion consistency, so it's a little bit on the heavier side. And then the foam is obviously the lightest. Yeah, so the foam is also very light. So these two work great together for a very voluminous wash and go. Yeah, but yeah. What do you guys think of this wash and go? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Do you think you'll try it? Are we a fan of Curlsmith? Let me know in the comments down below. This has definitely been one of my more crazier videos. Part of me wants to just not edit it and upload it just, you know, raw, unedited, this is how I am video. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. I feel like it's just New Year's Eve. It just has me all in a funk. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Once again, I apologize for the lighting. It is now nighttime and I don't have my filming room set up yet, so Christmas tree it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.